What's up guys, and welcome back. Today I thought I would show you guys a little bit of replacing a fan on my Futurebit Moonlanders 2. So I got 4 of them running. This one is the one that's constantly getting hot. So I'm going to go ahead and try to replace this fan on it. I do have a little breeze fan, whatever it's called, that I run on it, but I'm going to go ahead and replace this fan, show you guys what I got, and see if it actually works out for us. I'm not sure if it's going to work out. I got it off eBay, so maybe this fan is on its way out, so I want to go ahead and replace it. Alright, let's get back into replacing it. Alright guys, hope you can hear me, but I did go ahead and disconnect this little power one, which was pain in the butt. It took me a little while to get it off. Then we got the 2 bolts up here, and then we got, that's it basically. So when it comes out, if it wants to come out, it's a little dirty, but this is the fan. It's basically the same thing that they look, just this one is Chinese, obviously built a new one, and this one is actually original one. So a little cleaning on this, and I just want to make sure that, I don't think it matters which way I put it in. I just want to make sure that somehow I get this cable, because this cable is, I don't know if you guys can even see how long it is compared to this little one. So we're gonna have to do something with the cable eventually to, I don't want to cut it up and shorten it. I might have to, but I don't want to cut it up and shorten it. We're going to have to figure out how to make sure nothing else touches it so we don't destroy it. I did order 2, so it's kind of like, you know, I always order 2 in case I mess up something. Then, yeah, I got the second one. I know what not to do the next time. I wish these came with 4 bolts, but there's no spots for 4. So basically that's it. And then we take this. This was also hard to plug in. It's kind of weird design to me. I hope I didn't break anything. That's what it looks like, and I'm going to clean up the cable, you know, put it around here. I'll probably just zip tie the rest, but that's it. That's the new fan, and I'm going to plug it into my laptop that's right next to me and see if it works. If it spins up, it's good. If it doesn't, then yeah, then it's not good, right? And oh wow, it's quiet. Yeah, I don't know if I can even show that, but it's spinning, so that works. So I'm gonna go plug it back in and hope this thing doesn't cause me any more problem, because this is the one that was getting hot on me and I didn't know why, or couldn't figure out why. So I thought first thing to do is to change the fan and see if that's the right fix or not. So, alright guys, that's it for this video. Just wanted to show you changing fan, my Futurebit Moonlander 2. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. Take the 2 screws out, disconnect the power. Make sure you don't pull this power out and have problems. You're gonna have to get it resoldered down there, but that's it. And this dirty old one, I looked all 4 of them, and the other 3 are spinning fast, and this one's kind of like slowing down, so I'm assuming that's what it was, but we're gonna go from there. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, have a wonderful day.